Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Govee Floor Lamp Pro. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Govee Floor Lamp Pro and are wondering how to actually go ahead and set it up. And so I do have a couple of videos as far as how to physically set up. This video is going to be dedicated to actually how to set it up on your phone. But the first thing that you're going to go ahead and do is that you want to go ahead and download the Govee Home app. So on the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Govee, and the Govee Home app is going to look like this here. So go ahead and download it and then register for an account and log in. Next, on an iOS device, you want to make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi and also Bluetooth is turned on. But do make sure that your Wi-Fi is a 2.4 gigahertz network. Afterwards, click on the Govee Home app and your homepage is probably going to look blank. But this is the point at which connect your Govee floor lamp to the outlet and turn it on. When you initially turn it on, it should show rainbow colors. And then afterwards, click on the plus icon on the upper right hand corner, and then it's automatically going to scan nearby devices. As long as your Govee Floor Lamp Pro is turned on, you should be able to find it here. Click on add, and then it's going to start connecting to your phone. Now, this is where you can rename your device. So give it a name, then click on done. And then it's automatically going to input the Wi-Fi settings. And again, make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Click on done. And then after a couple of seconds, you should see a Wi-Fi has been successfully connected notification like that. So now your Govee Floor Lamp Pro has been connected to your Govee Home app. There's a few settings here. Starting from top to bottom, on the upper right hand corner, you just have different settings options. Right beneath that, you could actually have different options to turn on the bass versus the strip light. Now, the middle hand option is the music option. So you could actually go ahead and play different white noises. Beneath that, you have the timer. So you can set up different timers as far as when you want this to turn on or off. You could also adjust the brightness by dragging this icon right over here. And then you have different modes. So you can switch between a color mode, which shows a solid color. You can switch between different scenes, which are pre-built. You can switch between different illuminations. So you have one for relaxing, reading, work, and illumination. I don't really use AI too much. Then you have a music mode, which it syncs the music or syncs the lights with music being played. And then share space, finger sketch, and DIY, I don't really use all too often as well. But play around with it. The main ones that I use are colors and music as far as my Govee Floor Lamp Pro goes. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up your Govee Floor Lamp Pro. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.